Hey, let's get started with our math lesson today. All lessons begin with a learning target. Learning targets tell us what we're aiming for or what we're trying to become better at doing or learn how to do. So our learning target today is right here. It says, I can add and subtract 1 from a number. Okay, so we're going to be adding 1 and subtracting 1 from a number. So let's begin with our song, our counting song. Have a little fun. Please join in.
Come on, kids! Do you want to count to 100?
Count, 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 count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Count, 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 count.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19,
20. Count, 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 count.
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29.
30. Count, 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 count.
31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39.
40. Count, 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 count.
41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49.
50. Count, 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 count.
51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59.
60. Count, 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 count.
61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69.
70. Count, count, count.
71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79.
80. Count, 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 count.
81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89.
90. Count, 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 count.
91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99.
Count, 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 count. Said I can count to 100. Say I can count to 100. Come on. Say I can count to 100. Say I can count to 100. Count.
Okay, so I want you to think about when you get one more of something. What happens? Let's pause. Good. When you get one more of something, the number of things that you have goes up by 1. Good. So let's take a look here. If I have 3, okay, and I get one more, okay, I don't know where my writing went. Say I had 3, and I get one more. How many do I have now? Show me on your fingers. Yes, you have 4. So 3 plus 1 more equals 4. Very good. Okay, let's take a look at this next one. Let's see how many I have right now. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm starting with 5. Okay, and let's say that I get one more. So I'm going to add 1. And I'm actually just going to draw one more in here. Okay, let's see how many I have now. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I have 6. One more than 5 is 6. Good. Now we're going to try some more, but I was hoping you would please get out your dry erase sleeve, your marker, and your eraser so you guys can try one. Okay, so get those supplies. I'll pause for a moment while you get them. Okay, let's go ahead and try this one. So on your dry erase sleeve, I would like you to write how many circles we are starting with. So count them up and write that down. Do it now. Okay. All right, so hopefully on your dry erase sleeve, you've all written the number 7. Okay, so we have 7. If I add one more than 7 plus 1, write that down on your board, plus 1. I'm going to add one more to the 10 frame. How much does that equal? Count them up and write your answer. Let me pause. Okay, you now have 8. So 7 and one more makes 8. Very good. Okay, erase your boards. Let's try another one. So on your board, I want you to write down how many red circles we are starting with. Some of you may be counting them by ones, or you're thinking in your head that 10 frame is almost full, except for 1. So that could be another way to figure out how many there are. So once you know how many there are, write your answer on your board. Okay, show me what you put. All right, so I see 9 is correct. Start with 9. Okay, now I want you to add one more. I'll add one more up here on our 10 frame. And how much does that equal? So finish up your equation, and when you have it all solved, hold it up to the camera so I can see. Let me pause. Okay, we have 9 plus 1 is 10. So 1 more than 9 is 10. Good. So we got some practice with one more. Now we are going to work with one less. So think about it. If you have a group of something, say like a handful of candy, and you give one to someone else, that would be one less. Okay, so we want to think about when something goes away, it's less. So we're going to practice with one less. So watch, we're not writing anything on our board right now. So we start with 4. Okay, and we want to think about if we took 1 away, how many would we have left? Okay, so let me pause for a moment. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to take one of these away. Okay, and let's count how many are left. 1, 2, 3. So if I had 4 and I take 1 away, or 1 less than 4 is 3. 1 less than 4 is 3. Okay, now you're going to get a chance to practice with me. So we're going to look at our 10 frame here and write on our boards how many red circles we're starting with. So write that down. Okay, so we said 5, right? So I'm going to write 5. So we're starting with 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to take one away because we want to know how many is one less. So I'm going to take one away. I only took one away, so minus 1 equals how many is left, or how many do we have now? Write it on your board. All right, I'm seeing some of you putting a 4 down. We have 4 left. Great, so if I have 5 and I take 1 away, I now have 4. 1 less than 5 is 4. Very good. Okay, let's try this last one. On your board, I want you to write how many red circles we are starting with. Put it down on your white dry erase sleeve. Okay. Okay, good. We're starting with 7. All right, now we're going to take one of those away, one less. So minus 1 equals, so I want you to go ahead and finish that up on your board, writing 7 minus 1 equals with the answer. I'll wait. Okay. Good. 6. 7 minus 1 equals 6. So I could count them this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I could count every single one of them. Or I could think of this as 5, and one more makes 6. So 5, 6. That's kind of a faster, more efficient way to count. Okay, so now it's going to be time for you all to go ahead and practice on your own in Seesaw. Let me go ahead and show you what you're going to do. So you're going to go into Seesaw, and you are going to practice finding one more and one less, doing almost the same exact thing we just did. Okay, so you're going to go to math, one more, one less. Click on add response. Okay, the tool you'll be needing is your pencil, or actually you can use your hand tool too. So it's same thing. We have our 10 frame here. Part of the equation is here. If you see the plus sign, it means I'm getting one more. And if you see the subtraction sign, it means I'm going to take one away. Okay, so you can add one more, count them, and write the answer using your pencil tool. Okay, so you're going to add one more using your hand tool. Okay, and take out your pencil to write your answer. And you're going to go ahead and do, I think there's 6 here. Yeah, 6 pages. Okay, when you're all done solving for one more and one less, click your green check, send it to me, and you're all done. All right, get to work.